Hey everyone, Michael here from Extreme Diecast Racing, and today we're racing Hot Wheels Racerverse. We've got 4 new competitors ready to race. First up is Black Panther. Second, we've got Grogu. Third, Spider-Man. And fourth, Darth Vader. And we're racing down our big track. This thing's 42 feet long, half mile on the 1/64 scale, all the way down to the end. Makes for some great racing. Hey Jaden, how's it going?
Hey.
Excited for some more races today?
Yeah.
What do you think about these Racerverse cars?
I don't know if they can beat Batman.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to do, is beat Batman. This is our current champ for the character cars. These guys aren't quite character cars, but they're close enough. So, we're going to race these guys. We'll put all of them out of the package and give you a closer look at them. And we'll run them down the track, see how they do. We've got our racers lined up and ready to go. So how this works is we're going to race them 4 times, 1 in each track. Whoever has the fastest time is the winner of the race and gets to take on Batman. All right, let's see how these guys do. All right, so Grogu with a time of 3.82. Run Cam came in second. He passed up everybody going down the end. Spider-Man got third. Fourth, Black Panther, and Darth Vader pulling up the end. Not too fast for that guy. Yeah, Spider-Man has very rugged tires. That's what makes all that noise coming down. It's not very good for speed, but that's pretty embarrassing for Darth Vader. Grogu, though, has a time of 3.82, so that's the time to beat. We'll line them up again. All right, Grogu is faster, 3.88. So I think his first time was 3.82. Second place, well, something happened to Darth Vader in lane 1, because over in lane number 5, he was a lot quicker. Second place, Black Panther came in third. Fourth was the Run Cam, and Spider-Man came in 5th. Okay, 3.82 is the time to beat for Grogu. All right, this was our slowest run so far, 3.94. And that was Darth Vader. How did that happen? Number 2 was a Run Cam. Number 3, Black Panther. Number 4 was Grogu. What happened to that guy? And number 5 was Spider-Man. So 3.82 is still the time to beat for Grogu. We'll line them up one more time. All right, looks like the universe is back to normal. Grogu must have used the Force again and won that race. He forgot in the last race. Second place was Darth Vader. So Darth Vader has actually sped up quite a bit through these 4 races. So that's pretty amazing. 3 was a run cam. 4 was Black Panther. And 5th was Spider-Man. So Grogu gets to take on Batman. We'll run him 2 times. Whoever has the fastest time out of those 2 races is the overall champ. All right. Well, Batman showed that he is the champ right now. 3.642. Nice time. And Grogu is falling behind 3.872. Okay, time to beat is 3.642 for Batman. Okay, so we had Batman 3.642 with the first race and 3.633 with the second. So Batman remains the champ. Put him up on the trophy. Looks like Grogu got a 3.755. So, not real fast for Grogu. He gets tired, uses the Force a little bit, and he can't keep his speed up because of that. So that's too bad. But Batman can sure keep up his speed. So 3.633 for Batman. He remains our champ, and he awaits the next character car race. These racer-verse cars are pretty interesting. Got Grogu. You got Mickey over here. Vanellope. Spider-Man. Darth Vader. Stitch. Hero and Baymax. And Black Panther. So those are the 8 that we found. We'll see if we find any more in the future, and if we do, we'll race them. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you at the next race.